95% of drivers have no idea what their own car is actually capable of doing. What makes this even more surprising is that many of these hidden features could prevent expensive repairs, yet they remain completely overlooked. Before spending money unnecessarily at a repair shop, you need to know these 21 hidden functions almost nobody talks about. Don't skip any part because some of them can literally save your vehicle in unexpected situations, starting with a feature that can bring your car back. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Secret number 21. Restart the car after an impact using a hidden reset button. If your car cranks normally but refuses to start after a small collision or hitting a deep pothole, the issue may not be mechanical. Many vehicles include a safety system called the fuel pump inertia switch. This system automatically cuts fuel delivery when an impact is detected. What most drivers don't realize is that there's usually a reset button. It's often located inside the trunk behind a trim panel. Pressing this button restores fuel flow instantly. In just a few seconds, the car may start again without needing a tow truck. It's a simple feature that can easily prevent diagnostic costs that often exceed $150 to $300 for something that isn't actually broken. Secret number 20. Let cruise control manage downhill speeds. When cruise control is activated before a long descent, the system automatically downshifts to use engine braking and maintain speed. This is especially effective in automatic vehicles. You may notice the engine RPM increase, indicating the transmission is helping control speed. The result is reduced brake wear, smoother driving, and a lower risk of unintentionally exceeding speed limits. Secret number 19. Sunroof reset when it loses calibration. After a battery replacement, it's common for the sunroof to stop midway. To recalibrate, hold the sunroof close button for 10 seconds. This resets the electronic limits and restores features like one-touch operation and anti-pinch protection. Secret number 18. Electronic parking brake service mode. Forcing the pistons back manually can damage the actuator, and that repair can exceed $500 to $1,000. Activating maintenance mode automatically retracts the actuators, prevents damage, and ensures proper calibration after the brake job. Secret number 17. Ventilate the interior using only the key fob. By pressing and holding the unlock button on the key fob, all windows automatically roll down to let hot air escape. Secret number 16. The hidden tow hook that protects your vehicle's structure. That small metal hook stored near the spare tire is the correct attachment point for towing to avoid structural damage. Secret number 15. Emergency trunk release handle. Even if the vehicle is fully locked, pulling this glow-in-the-dark handle instantly opens the trunk from the inside. It's worth checking where it is located and making sure anyone who rides with you knows how it works. Small, discreet, and rarely noticed, but it can make a life-saving difference. Secret number 14. Extendable or sliding sun visor. Every driver has experienced that moment when the sun visor simply isn't enough to block sunlight coming from the side. In many models, the sun visor can slide along its rod or includes a built-in lateral extension. By gently pulling it toward the side window, you can significantly increase the coverage area against direct sunlight. Secret number 13. Automatic rear defroster timer. Typically, the system operates for about 10 to 15 minutes and then shuts off automatically. This helps preserve battery health and reduce strain on the electrical system, especially during short urban trips. Secret number 12. Seat belt height adjustment. On the vehicle's center pillar, there is usually a height adjustment mechanism for the upper seat belt anchor. A poorly positioned seat belt significantly increases the risk of injury. This adjustment can reduce risk by up to 50%. Secret number 11. Climate control synchronization and rear lock. The SYNC button allows the driver to control all temperature zones simultaneously, eliminating constant individual adjustments. Many vehicles also include a rear control lock, very common in family SUVs like the Honda Pilot or Ford Explorer. Secret number 10. Automatic audio volume adjustment based on speed. The system uses speed sensors to automatically adjust audio levels as aerodynamic and road noise increase. At speeds above 50 miles per hour, interior noise can rise by 40%. This function keeps sound balanced. Secret number 9. Humidity sensor and automatic windshield defogging. A small sensor located near the interior rearview mirror constantly monitors cabin humidity levels. When moisture increases, the system automatically activates defogging before the windshield becomes fully fogged. Secret number 8. Automatic partial air recirculation. The system periodically blends small amounts of fresh outside air with recirculated cabin air to maintain air quality. Secret number 7. Solar sensor integrated into the climate control system. These sensors measure sunlight intensity and automatically adjust temperature for each side of the vehicle. Keeping the sensor area clean is important for proper system operation and fuel efficiency. Secret number 7. Solar sensor integrated into the climate control system. Have you ever noticed that one side of the cabin sometimes feels much hotter? This happens because sunlight doesn't hit the interior evenly. To correct this imbalance, many vehicles use solar sensors mounted on the dashboard. These sensors measure sunlight intensity and automatically adjust temperature and fan speed for each side of the vehicle. If direct sunlight is hitting the passenger side, the system increases cold airflow on that side to maintain thermal balance. Without this feature, drivers often increase the air conditioning manually, which can raise fuel consumption by up to 5% in city driving. That's why keeping the sensor area clean is important for proper system operation. Secret number 6. Tire inflation assistant with audible alert. Inflating tires sounds simple, but incorrect pressure is extremely common. Studies indicate that nearly 40% of vehicles operate with improper tire pressure, increasing tire wear and fuel consumption. Some modern vehicles include a system that actively assists during inflation. With the ignition turned on, the TPMS monitors pressure in real time. When the correct level is reached, the vehicle emits a sound or visual alert. If pressure exceeds the recommended value, new alerts indicate overinflation. This feature removes the guesswork and helps protect tires that today can easily cost $120 to $250 each. If you've made it this far, you've probably noticed that many money-saving features are already built into your car, yet almost nobody uses them. Secret number 5. Remote start hidden in the key fob. The automotive industry has been adding advanced functions to smart keys for years. One of these features is remote engine start, available in many vehicles produced from around 2018 onward across the United States. In many cases, the system is already installed, but requires a specific button sequence on the key fob. Typically, the process involves pressing the lock button once and then holding the remote start button for a few seconds. In some models, the lock button must be pressed twice before holding the center button. This allows the engine to start remotely. On hot days, interior temperatures can exceed 140 degrees. Besides comfort, remote start helps reduce mechanical stress during cold starts. Secret number 4. Driver fatigue detection system. Modern vehicles constantly monitor driving behavior to identify signs of fatigue. Electronic sensors analyze steering inputs, lane corrections, and continuous driving time to build a reference pattern for the driver's behavior. When irregular variations are detected, a dashboard alert appears, usually accompanied by a coffee cup icon suggesting a break. Some advanced systems also use infrared cameras to monitor the driver's face and eye movement to reduce fatigue-related accidents. Secret number 3. Manual reset of the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. The tire pressure warning light is one of the most common alerts. After proper inflation or tire replacement, the system often needs to be reset to recognize the new pressure values. In many vehicles, there is a reset button located below the steering wheel, inside the glove box, or within the onboard settings menu. Performing the reset correctly prevents false warnings and keeps the system accurate, saving you from unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Secret number 2. Sensitivity adjustment for automatic windshield wipers. Many drivers don't realize the sensitivity can be adjusted. There's usually a selector on the wiper control stalk or within the vehicle settings menu to change how the system reacts. Lower sensitivity makes the system react only during heavier rain, while higher sensitivity activates the wipers with light droplets. Secret number 1. Infrared night vision in premium vehicles. Some luxury brands include night vision systems based on infrared sensors. This technology detects heat signatures up to 1,000 feet away, displaying the image on the instrument cluster or head-up display. The system can identify pedestrians and animals before they enter the reach of the headlights, significantly increasing reaction time. Many of these systems are already operating silently inside your vehicle, while most drivers remain unaware of the real capabilities. Start exploring your car's features today to save money and stay safe. Thanks for watching.